In this video, we show how to replace the power supply in a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the power supply, press the orange release latch and then slide the power supply out of the system. To install the power supply, align it with the back of the system and slide it in until the release latch clicks into place. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.